Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how to unarchive or delete archive tasks, depending on which one you want to do. So in Command, we'll first go to our Task tab over here on the left. And let's say you want to unarchive a task. Maybe it wasn't something you meant to archive. You still want it to on your to-do list and you don't see it here. So you can come over here to your archived tab right here. And whichever task it is, you can go ahead and choose to unarchive it by clicking on the three ellipses on the far right and choosing Unarchive. This will take that task and now move it back over here to your To-Do tab. You can also do this in bulk. You don't have to do it one at a time. You can go ahead and choose multiple tasks, and you'll see an option down here in the bottom right-hand corner to unarchive the ones you've selected. You'll get a green banner of success showing you now that those two tasks have also been moved to your to-do list. Now, let's say you definitely meant to archive these tasks and you actually want to permanently delete them. You no longer want them to even be here underneath your archive tab. You can do that individually or in bulk as well. So if you want to do it for an individual task, just come to the far right-hand side and click on the three ellipses and choose delete. It will ask you to confirm this because there is no undo button once you permanently delete that task. So go ahead and choose delete from here. You'll get that green banner of success letting you know that it has been permanently deleted. To do this in bulk, to permanently delete multiple tasks at one time, you do need to be under your Archive tab, choose multiple tasks, and from here in the bottom right-hand corner, you can choose the delete option. Go ahead and confirm that again on the pop-up, and you'll get the green banner of success showing you that those two tasks or multiple tasks have also been permanently deleted. If you have any questions about this or any of your KW platforms, please feel free to reach out to us via email. We'll be happy to help. That email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Thanks for watching.